Hello everyone, great to see you. This is Bikram and I welcome you to this channel. Today we will learn about first rule of indices, that is multiplication of indices. Before we start, let me remind you something. Please subscribe this channel if you want to watch more videos like this. Hey, let's start. This video is all about one equation of indices. This. But how can we verify this equation? To understand this, first we need to learn how to read this equation. So let's start. Here is one mathematical term in which a is power and x is base. We can read this mathematical term as x to the power a. Similarly, x to the power b and x to the power a plus b. Finally, we can read this equation x to the power a dot x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. That dot is sign of multiplication. We can also write same equation like this. To understand this equation, we need to put some value in a and b. In place of a, let's put 2. In place of b, let's put 3. Now let's check whether x to the power 2 dot x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 2 plus 3 or not. Now let's do some experiment on this equation. First of all, what do you mean by x to the power 2? This means x times x. Similarly, what do you mean by x to the power 3? This means x times x times x. What will happen if we multiply these two terms? We can also write same expression like this. If we put values of x to the power 2 and x to the power 3 in this expression, then we get this. In place of x to the power 2, there is x times x. In place of dot, there is multiply sign. And in place of x to the power 3, there is x times x times x. But the right hand side part is equal to the x to the power 5. So we can say that x to the power 2 dot x to the power 3 is also equal to the x to the power 5. So we get this. We can rewrite this equation like this. X to the power 2 dot x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 2 plus 3. And you can compare these two equations. There is 2 plus 3 in place of 5. Because 5 is also equal to 2 plus 3. Let's put variable power in this equation again. Now we can compare second and third equation. Finally, we have verified this equation of indices. How's that? If you like this video, please subscribe this channel if you want to watch more videos like this. We will meet in next video. Till then, stay safe